all of my DIY fidgets. Comment if you want a tutorial on any of the fidgets you see. This one, multiple of these, so you can roll these on your finger. This one's made from an elastic from an old mask, and this one is just a plain piece of string. A homemade simple dimple. This other kind of poppet. A small roller. This one that you can just kind of push it up and down. A bead tangle. Multiple of these are like, you can tangle them or just roll the beads. So some of these, I have a video on how to make these if you're interested. And my homemade fidget board. So I have this came with mini colored pencils. Then I have this, you can just kind of move it around, it's pretty soft. Little bead thing here, and another one of these rollers. Comment if you want a tutorial on anything.
First you need rings of a bottle top. Tape them together. Should look like this. Take tape and tape it like this. Should look like this. And you're done.
tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you how to make it. You will be needing some conditioner, a balloon. I only have these Happy New Year balloons because I'm at my grandma's house. A spoon, a measuring cup, some cornstarch, and a bowl. Also, sorry if you hear like little sound. My grandma lives in a golf field and there's people playing golf right now. First, you're going to get your measuring cup and you're going to put 1 cup of cornstarch. You're going to add that to your bowl. Now you're going to get your conditioner and your measuring cup and fill it 1/2 cup with conditioner. I think this conditioner is expired, but you're just going to add the conditioner to your bowl. And now you're just going to mix it. Also, if you don't have conditioner, you can totally use some lotion. When it starts to come together like this, you can start using your hands to mix. Eventually, it should start to look like this. And if you don't have cornstarch, you could use flour, but it would not look the same. It would have more clumps in it. I'm so sorry, but you guys are going to have to come back for part 2. Part 2 of how to make this stress ball. Alright, so you're just going to keep mixing it. It looks like this. Also, I would not recommend you use flour with this because, again, if you use flour, it's going to be all clumpy and it's not going to feel the same. So I would definitely recommend to use cornstarch. Mine is not that good because my conditioner was expired, but now you're just going to put this in your balloon. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're just going to get a bit of your mixture that you just made. And you're going to roll it so it looks like this. I definitely need 2 hands to this, but basically you're just going to put it like... You're going to put the balloon like this. And with the little worm thing you made, you're just going to stick it right to the balloon. Alright, so you're just going to put it through like... I'm going to stick it in like that. And you're just going to keep doing this until the balloon is filled. And you're going to make sure that there's no air in the balloon. Alright, so after you've filled up your balloon, you're just going to tie it up. And here should be your final results. Again, you're going to make sure there's no air in there.
Hey guys, today we're going to be making DIY tangles. First, you're going to need some clothespins. We got these at the Dollar Tree. You'll need 10 to 20. So you're going to push it down, side to side, and you're going to take this thing off. You're going to do that to all the other ones. So when you have all of these, how you're going to connect them all is you're going to separate these, put that in there, and that in there, and yeah. Once you have all of them connected, you'll have your tangle. Bye, guys.
need is one of those rolls from either toilet paper or it can be paper towel. I just have one from paper towel and I cut it in half just like this. And then I'm gonna use my horrible transition skills to put paper on it just as I did now. And then you're gonna grab a water bottle. It can be big or small, whatever you want. And you're gonna cut it at the part that they are curvy at. So just like as I am here, you're just gonna cut it into little straight things. So I recommend using the top part of the bottle because it is a lot better. And I also recommend using larger bottles. So here's me getting a bunch of them. And then I'm just going to cover the bottom of the roll thing with tape. And then I'm just going to shove all the little plastic things inside because it makes a super cool noise. I will be posting a video with the noise. So yeah, that's why it's not here because I'm blasting music in the background. That's usually what I do with these videos. So I will be posting that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
What you need is a bunch of rubber bands and a bunch of square beads. If they're not square, it won't work. So first you want to arrange your beads. It can be totally random, but I decided to do kind of a rainbow pattern. Also, you don't have to use as much as I did. Next, start stringing rubber bands through the bead. It should look like this. Oh, now starting from the bottom, you're going to get 3 of the rubber bands and place them either on your 2 fingers or, in my case, I'm using 2 chopsticks I taped together. This is what it should look like. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pick this up and then move it to the top. I'll show you what I mean. So you basically lift the rubber bands up and put it up like that. Now you're going to add another bead set. This is what it should look like. Now you're going to lift the bottom rubber band up and you're going to keep repeating this until you're done with all the beads. It's starting to look like something. Once you've run out of beads, you just want to loop them over and tie it up. Now you're done.